Happy holiday, everyone. Welcome to another session of Market Update. Today is December 17, 2017. Let's take a look at the index ETF. Looking at the SPY, you can see SPY made a nice push last week into a new high territory and finished strongly on Friday. So right now, we're basically looking for a support near the 265 area, and also it is pretty much in confluence with this near-term trend line. So if the price pull back below this support zone, price zone here, the 265, and below this trend line, then we could see it will possibly come back down to somewhere around this 262 area, this price zone, for potential support. And if that can't hold, then we're basically looking at it possibly pull back to this breakout price zone here, somewhere around the 258, 259 area. And if we take a look at the Q, the technology seems to be making a nice comeback. The last couple of weeks, you can see that it pulled back into the support zone somewhere around this 152 and got a nice bounce here and came up, and it finally pushed through and made a new all-time high on Friday with a very strong day. And you can see this is a huge solid green candle here. So right now we're essentially looking at this 156.73 somewhere around this 157, 156 area for support. And if it pull back, then we could see it come back down and possibly retest this area somewhere around this 152 level in the near term. And then on the Russell 2000, you can see the Russell 2000 is still holding support here on this breakout zone, somewhere around this 151 area. So right now it's trying to push you back up above this 154 area. If it could push you above this 154 zone, then it might be able to come up and tag the all-time high and possibly put in a new all-time high. But if it come back and break this support, this breakout zone here somewhere around 151, then we could easily possibly see this thing to work itself back down to test this this support zone here somewhere around this 145 area. Okay, and looking at a couple of financial stock here. First is the Bank of America, BFA. And you can see Bank of America pushed through to this 2950 area and then kind of pulled back into this range area. Right now it seems to be trying to consolidate and maybe make another push into the zone here and get above this 2950. And if you cannot get above this 2950, then we'll probably look for this thing to come back down and retest this 28 level here, this price zone near the 28 level. And the another one is Citicorp. Looking at Citicorp, it came up and pushed you to the 78 area and then pulled back, got a set up a little bit of a reversal candle pattern, and it pulled back to this support zone here, okay, at this 75 area, and seems to be consolidating right now at this 75 area. So if it could push back above the 75, then we could probably see it trying to make another attempt to come up to this 77, 78 price zone here and possibly put in another high. But if we break below this 74 price zone here, then we could see it maybe come down and possibly find some support somewhere around the 73. And if cannot hold the 73 area, then we could see this thing retrace back down to the 70 area in this price zone. And then finally, we see Goldman Sachs is also making another strong move, and it seems like it's trying to set up a little bit of a bull flag. It pushed you up to this 260 and immediately got rejected, and right now seems to be consolidating here somewhere around this 258 area, between 258 and 255. So if it could push through this zone and get above the 260 area, then we essentially could look at this bull flag as in play. But if it comes below this 254 area, basically do this zone here, this 255, 254, I believe, somewhere around there. If it break through this zone, then we'll probably see it come back down and retest this breakout zone, this price zone here, somewhere around this 247, 248 area. Okay, so that's basically it. Hopefully, your trading is going well, and wish everybody a happy holiday. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber to my video channel, please click on the subscribe button down at the lower right hand corner of your screen and subscribe to my video channel. And thank you for watching.